How to see hidden friends on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen over here. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. After that, you need to scroll down to the Friends section and tap on My Friends. Here, you can view all your friends on Snapchat. Now go back to the previous page and tap on the Add Friends option under the Friends section. You can add friends on Snapchat by adding them from the suggested list under Find Friends. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. After that, tap on Hidden from Find Friends. Here, you can view all the Snapchatters that have been hidden from Quick Add. Scroll down to view all of them. You can also add them if you want by tapping on the Add button beside their names. Following these steps, you can easily see hidden friends on Snapchat.